Good morning, Roadrunners. I'm Principal Bijou Padmanabhan, and today we are excited to be celebrating the ribbon cutting of our newly rebuilt school. We are honored to have our distinguished guest, Geneva Epps Mosley, whom our school is proudly named after. Thank you, Geneva, and to her family members for being here with us today. Let's give them a big Roadrunner welcome. Thank you. We also have with us our Governing Board President, Charlotte Windsor, Vice President, Allison Ewers, board members, Jim Lemon and Eric Miller. Let's give them a round of applause. We also have joining us Tempe Elementary Superintendent, Dr. James Driscoll. Our beautiful school building would not be made possible without the work of Chase Building Team and SPS Plus Architects. Joining us, thank you, okay. Joining us today is Barry Chase, founder of Chase Building Team, and Mark Davenport, managing partner at SPS Plus Architects. Let's give them a round of applause. I would also like to thank our many dignitaries for joining us today at our ribbon cutting. I will go ahead and read their names at this time. Previous TD3 Superintendent, Dr. John Barrissey and his wife, Patty Barrissey. City of Tempe Mayor, Corey Woods. City of Tempe Council Member, Burdetta Hodge. Previous Governing Board members, Patrick Morales and Evan Rogers. Previous Mosley Principal, Rick Horvath. Tri-District Legal Counsel, Jordan LL. Thai Board Member, Kathy Stevens. Josh Burnett, Kids Pastor at Central Christian Church. As well as our TD3 chiefs and members from our district leadership team. Now I'd like to introduce our superintendent, Dr. James Driscoll, who would like to say a few words.
Good morning. Good morning. Oh, that's weak. Good morning. Good morning. There we go. I don't know, every time I walk into school, I just have to say, go blue. Feels good. Feels good to be on the winning side for a change. Thank you so much. I'm so honored to be here today with you. Today we have individuals from the past and present who have helped shape Mosley into what it has become today. From previous leaders, administrators, and teachers who have created a legacy at this school, such as our very own Miss Geneva Epps Mosley, who is a teacher here at Mosley Middle School. To our current staff and students who are here shaping the culture of Mosley for tomorrow's learners, the future of Mosley is bright, and it's all thanks to the support of you and our community. Geneva Epps Mosley has been rebuilt thanks to Tempe Elementary School District voters who authorized the 2016 bond. After breaking ground on December 17, 2021, we are proud to see the completion of our school building today. I would like to extend my sincerest appreciation to all our TD3 voters and community, our TD3 governing board, the City of Tempe, Chase Building Team, SPS Architects, and most importantly, our Mosley staff and students. I'm excited for you to continue dreaming, discovering, and learning in your new, beautiful school building. Now I would like to welcome TD3 Governing Board President Charlotte Windsor to say a few words with us. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, faculty, and most importantly, our incredible students of Mosley Middle School, I am honored to be here with you today. I have spent 22 years of my career teaching the very kids that graduate from Mosley and going on to Tempe High School. You guys are the future. I am so honored to be with you and to be a part of this special day with you. Today marks a significant moment as we come together for the ribbon cutting ceremony, symbolizing not just the opening of a building, but the gateway to endless opportunities and learning and growth. As you step into these halls, recognize that middle school isn't just a transition, it's a transformative phase of life in all of your lives. Here, you'll not only master academic subjects, but also discover your passions and talents and the strengths that make you unique. Middle school is a platform for you to explore, question, and express yourselves. Geneva Epps Mosley explored. She explored who she wanted to be and the type of person she wanted to live as, to provide as a legacy. She was a hairdresser. She was a teacher. She was involved with community events. She made sure that her life was dedicated to the very people that she loved and encouraged. She spent so much of her life working with children because she loved them, and she knew what I know and what most everybody in this room knows. You guys are the very future and everything that we need to be invested in. Embrace every lesson that comes your way. Embrace the challenges and embrace the triumphs. Take part in extracurricular activities. Form friendships. Those are the best things that carry you through life. And don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. This school is not just a structure. It's a community that believes in your potential. In these upcoming years, you can accomplish more than you might imagine. Strengthen your academic foundations, but cultivate your critical thinking skills and develop the resilience to overcome obstacles. Whether it's excelling in a subject, participating in sports, or contributing to the arts, this is your time to share who you are. Here's to a journey of discovery, of friendship, and of success. Welcome to Mosley Middle School, where your potential knows no bounds.
Thank you, Ms. Windsor. I'd like to now welcome Barry Chase to say a few words about this momentous occasion for our school.
Wow, what an exciting day. So glad all the students could be in the room. It just makes it extra special. About 30 years ago, it's a surreal moment for me. 30 years ago, on the old school that was here, I was actually part of doing about a 15,000 square foot expansion. And now, 30 years later, I just knocked it down. So this gray is real, just if you guys are wondering. So anyway, really exciting, and what an absolute amazing transformation here. I want to do a big shout out to the community. The community supports projects like this to allow transformations of amazing schools just like this. So big shout out to the community. I want to thank the governing board for allowing our company to be a part of this. We don't take these opportunities lightly. We're very grateful for this. Hopefully you're proud of the work that's gone into making this amazing transformation here at Mosley. I was an observer at an administrative retreat that happened, and there's a lot of conversations about culture in Tempe, and I thought it was really awesome to be able to watch and listen to what Dr. Driscoll's talking about with culture. And all I'll say is, from our behalf, the culture here is real. The culture of your team, district leadership, I've got yourself, Dr. Driscoll, Eric Thompson, Dave Farmer, and Courtney Casado are our immediate interface teams. That culture brings the best out in our teams, and I know Mark feels the same at SPS Architects. It just makes us want to deliver. And I just want to compliment the culture that's been established and continues to get stronger in this district. Kudos to you. So everything we're in right now, all these new buildings were constructed while students and staff were learning here on campus. So it was an original school. We left the school in place, operating, and built the new school in your playfields, basically. I can't give the highest compliment to the students and the staff that ended up continuing providing education at a high level during the construction. You all are so respectful. I'm so excited about the future of the students as you guys continue to grow. But I can't thank you enough. What a classy group of staff and a classy group of students. So give yourselves a round of applause. So Mark Davenport's going to follow me. They were the designers for this project, and this is a labor of love. A lot of community support went into this, a lot of community collaboration and shaping what's Mosley going to be, and I hope everyone's really proud of it. I know we're proud of it. It's an amazing testament what can happen when you collaborate towards delivering the very best you possibly can for students. I want to do a shout out to the Chase team that worked on this project. Can you raise your hands, be recognized, stand up, do something? It's an amazing accomplishment. So I guess what I'll encourage the students, this is a school, like the school I went to a very, very long time ago, is absolutely nothing like this. I want you to embrace this. I want you to own it. Own it. Take care of it. Love it. And my last little bit of encouragement is, hey, rise up, Roadrunners. Let's go.
Thank you, Mr. Chase. I'd like to now welcome Mark Davenport to say a few words.
I'll be the third one to lift it up here. Let's see if we can eventually get it tall enough. How's everybody doing today? All right. My name's Mark Davenport. I am with SPS Plus Architects, and we've been designing schools for many, many years, and we've seen how the needs of a community and a school changes over time. And so we're really proud to have been selected to work on this project for all of you. I also want to thank the governing board, Superintendent Driscoll, the Mosley family, and the greater GEMS community for allowing us to work on this and having the faith in us to design something that's worthy of the next generation of students that will graduate from this middle school here. I'd also like to thank our partners, Chase Building Team, and my team, SPS Plus Architects. We've got Megan, John, and Darlene back there. Thank you for all your hard work. As we walk around the school, and as you kids have been in the school, I wanted to point out a few things that are really special to us about this campus. We started by designing instructional areas that were divided by grade neighborhoods to have everything they need for different grade levels and an open space so that students could collaborate. The courtyard design allows the students to be in the school's interior inside of a safe outdoor environment, while it's still welcoming at the same time. With the two-story courtyard, the buildings help shade the interior so that space can be used longer. We created outdoor learning patios to provide additional learning environments, and the shaded area enables more extended time during the hot weather hours. And then finally, we designed the library on the second floor, giving students that great downtown view, kind of looking at what your future could be and where it could be. And then next to that library is the art room with an art patio, which also creates additional outdoor learning environments for all the students to learn all sorts of different areas. So our shared goal was to provide this school with unique solutions that meet today's needs and the needs of tomorrow's community while establishing the standard for middle schools to be designed to in the state of Arizona. So again, thank you everyone for the opportunity to be working with you on this project, and I hope all the students here are really proud of the facility and go on to do great things.
Thank you, Mr. Davenport. At this time, I'd like to invite Mrs. Mosley to come join me along with our student representatives, our governing board, and Dr. Driscoll, Mr. Chase, and Mr. Davenport as we prepare to cut the ribbon.